Guys, got a little project today. One of my neighbors brought me his mailbox, asked me if I could fix the little tab that broke off on it. I told him sure can. So quick little video for you guys. Cleaned off the paint real quick, cleaned off the paint on the little tab that broke off, and let's get to welding. Today we're using 4043 rod. It's just a general purpose aluminum rod. It's 3/32. So let's get to the welding. Not bad for cast aluminum. Tacks are going on there clean. Let's go ahead and weld it out. Alrighty guys, aluminum cast. It is a fairly soft metal. If you have a stainless steel wire brush on your grinder, you can sort of shape it, get it down to kind of how you wanted it. But it's just a quick little mailbox repair from a neighbor. It's pretty much exactly what he wanted. Just get it back to working order and get it back to him. A little bit of spray paint job and be as good as new. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.